Hi, and welcome to this tutorial of Siera. Siera is a toolkit we have created at Animo Solutions to help with our wallet development. We've noticed after a while that it can do a lot more than just help with wallet development, and that's why we have created these tutorials now to help you get set up and quickly use Siera. It is basically a CLI or desktop wrapper around an ACAPI or AFJ agent. And with this, you can quickly do small interactions so you can speed up your development with SSI. In this tutorial, we will install Siera on macOS via Homebrew. If you're not on macOS or you don't use Homebrew, there is documentation for Windows and Linux, and it's probably linked down below. So to install it, we can run brew tab animo Siera. Once that is done, we can run brew install Siera. And after that, we already have Siera installed, so we can do Siera-v. And here we can see that it's installed. These are all the subcommands, and in the next tutorials, we'll go over them in more detail. But for now, to just confirm that everything is working, we can do Siera schema list. And there we go, we get our schemas. And in the next tutorials, we'll mainly talk about setting up your agent, creating a connection, registering a schema and credential definition, and lastly, issuing a credential.